how digital twins are being used in manufacturing. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets, where we explore innovative ideas to help you thrive in today's economy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of digital twins and how they are revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. If you've ever wondered how technology can create a more efficient and effective manufacturing process, you're in for a treat. So, what exactly is a digital twin? In simple terms, a digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical object or system. This technology uses real-time data to create a digital counterpart that mirrors the behavior and performance of its physical twin. In manufacturing, this means companies can simulate, analyze, and optimize their processes without the risks and costs associated with physical trials. Imagine a factory floor where every machine, tool, and even the workers have a digital twin. These digital replicas allow manufacturers to monitor their operations in real time. For instance, if a machine starts to show signs of wear and tear, the digital twin can alert operators before a failure occurs. This predictive maintenance not only saves time and money, but also ensures that production runs smoothly. Moreover, digital twins are invaluable for product design and development. By creating a digital version of a new product, manufacturers can test various scenarios and make adjustments before ever creating a physical prototype. This leads to faster innovation cycles and reduces the risk of costly mistakes. Designers can see how a product will perform under different conditions, allowing them to refine their designs for optimal performance. Another exciting aspect of digital twins in manufacturing is the ability to optimize supply chains. With a digital twin of the entire supply chain, companies can simulate changes in demand, evaluate risks, and make informed decisions. This real-time visibility helps manufacturers respond quickly to market changes, ensuring they can meet customer needs without overstocking or running out of essential materials. Digital twins also play a significant role in training and workforce development. Imagine a new employee stepping into a factory equipped with a virtual reality headset that shows them how to operate machinery safely and efficiently. With the help of a digital twin, training can be tailored to individual learning styles, ensuring that every worker is well prepared for their role. This not only enhances safety, but also boosts productivity and morale. Furthermore, as sustainability becomes a priority for many manufacturers, digital twins can aid in creating more eco-friendly operations. By analyzing energy consumption and waste production, companies can identify areas for improvement and implement changes that reduce their environmental impact. This not only benefits the planet, but can also lead to significant cost savings. As we look to the future, the potential applications of digital twins in manufacturing are limitless. From enhancing collaboration across teams to improving customer experiences through personalized products, this technology is set to transform the landscape of manufacturing as we know it. Thank you for watching this episode of Side Income Secrets. If you found this information helpful and inspiring, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into innovative technologies and strategies to boost your income. Until next time, keep exploring new opportunities and embracing the future.